Good morning and welcome to the morning analysis video on Thursday the 1st of July. Beginning of a new month, and we are looking at some possible moves coming in further again towards the dollar strength today, with unemployment claims later on today, ISM manufacturing PMI and pending home sales, all of which are expected to come out weaker than previous, which should mean money moving into dollars out of stocks. So we are now going to be looking for further dollar strength plays today. If we just start by looking at gold, as of yet no major silver cross to the upside that we can trade. If we look on the hourly chart, you can see she hasn't crossed. So being a little bit stubborn at the moment, waiting for that cross back up. I don't want to trade short right into this daily 20. It just does not suit the way I trade to trade into that. You can see how much support she's had on it previously. Yes, if she breaks and we start seeing all the 4 hourly MAs coming back down through that, then I can look for short plays. At this moment in time though, it looks more bullish than anything to me. If we look at the daily chart, you can see we are sitting up on the daily 20. And until she breaks that, I have to remain with the view that she is still in an uptrend. Okay, if she breaks down, as I say, 4 hourly moving averages can be key, and we could then see possible short plays coming in. But at this moment in time, remains a long. No setup until we see that major silver cross to the upside, so it looks like it'll be another slow day waiting for gold to come in. Wall Street yesterday broke through that lower support level that we talked about how significant it is. You can see we broke through 9,790, now trading down at 9,670. So we've done 120 points from the break. This isn't good news, but we now need to just sit back and wait for the next entry point. The only one we had was at 10,400, and yes, I admit defeat on that one. And really just wait to see what happens. Nothing we can trade at this moment in time. WTI broke down further last night, not significantly, but she has broken further, and you can see she's out of the lower support now too. Short plays are all that we can do here. Any baby silver crosses to the south today, I'll be looking to trade now that we're out of this zone. Okay, could lead to a slide back down to 66, so keep your eyes on that. Moving over to the currencies and looking at our majors, you can see the dollar CAD's gone even further overnight. And now we are going to have to look for baby silver crosses to enter on this. There is no technical play at this moment in time. Wait for it to pull back through that daily pivot, then hopefully we'll see a baby silver cross moving back up to the upside through 106, and then we can look for a possible trade. At this moment in time, just a little bit overbought for us. I'd like to see a pullback down towards daily pivot, maybe a little bit further before potential entries coming into the upside. Sadly, Aussie dollar 2, she just never pulled back far enough yesterday to that hourly 20 to get us in. So we're sitting waiting again today. I don't know why my daily pivots, monthly pivots move like that. Okay, so we can see now the monthly pivot has reset at 84.50. So you'll see key resistance coming off that level. Any sort of baby silver cross around this region, we should be looking for short plays with a stop. My guess would be above the 4 hourly 20 up here and this previous high. I don't think we should be looking for any less than that. But as things stand, it is a little bit oversold first thing this morning, so a pullback to that monthly pivot will be key. Have a quick look at Swiss. Dollar Swiss is continuing her move, obviously moving in money safe haven, so not a lot we can do here, just have to wait and be patient for the next baby silver cross to the south. Yeah, not a lot there. Moving on to euro dollar. Euro dollar last night, baby silver cross to the south. She's come down to retest this new monthly pivot, which is set below us. This is going to be the key break level. I have removed my order first thing at 55. I don't think we're going to see that today. Instead, I'm going to have to look for a move higher before another baby silver cross to the south and a break of monthly pivot to the south. Okay. The good news is, however, if we put on a daily, the monthly pivot has continued her trend down, which means we should see continued dollar strength pushing euro down and potentially back through 118, so we'll keep an eye on that too. Let's have a quick look at a shorter time frame chart. Yep, just pulling back to this daily pivot hourly 20. Gonna have to look for a baby silver cross, I'm afraid, to trade. This was the one last night. I put my order, I looked at an ODL chart when I got home, and I put my order at the wrong level. Really, my order should have been at 40, but the ODL chart was showing moving averages 4 hourly 20 up at 122.70, and my hourly 20 at 122.55, which was why my order was there. Wrong level, and I'm a bit annoyed by that, because had I looked at the proper charts, the Investors Europe, I would have had my order at 40, and I would have been kicked in overnight with a stop above the previous highs. That said, it looks like it could be a little bit punchy this morning, so we'll keep an eye on that. Pound dollar, still short, maintaining the short position. We're going to have to look for a re-entry for a move higher to 4 hourly 20 and then a baby silver cross to the south. I think that's going to be the only way we can get a further entry now after no retracements yesterday towards our 4 hourly 20 and hourly 20. So re-entries on this from the original trade at 150.70 will have to come from a pullback to 4 hourly 20, baby silver cross to the upside, and then a short play back down through it. Okay. The yens, euro yen did break down as well last night. There wasn't really, I think even if I had taken that trade, I wouldn't have taken profit as of yet. So I'm not really that upset I didn't post anything on that. Looking at sterling yen. Okay. Any move back towards this monthly pivot 4 hourly 20, I'll then be looking for baby silver crosses to the south on that too. Okay, so fairly clear this morning, looking for retracement plays. Once we get the retracements in, look for the baby silver crosses with the trend to the south. I think the majority of these are going to come this afternoon, so we will be waiting patiently for these to build in. It could well end up being another late night tonight. Have a good day, guys, and I'll keep you updated through the members area.